This is the professional certificate for basics of Java. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Amity Future Academy. This is not the first video where I am introducing this platform, and here is the process of registering in the courses which are offered here free. There are multiple courses which you have to join and get your professional certificates. But the courses which have star on it, you can see there are many courses which are free, but some of have paid certificate. But we are covering the courses which are free certificates, and we already covered three courses, one of machine learning and two of hacking, ethical hacking and scripting for hackers. And here is the course of basics of Java, and we are going to start. You can see this course in details: Java basics, object oriented programming and many other credentials are going to cover. And now I am going to register in this course. Only some basic information required, and after fill up all the boxes you just submit it, and after submit you get an option to create your LMS account. Here you need to enter all the details once again. Now I am going to enter, choose an username which is unique just like an Instagram, and after tapping on create my account, your account is going to be created. And now I am successfully created my account. Here you need to log in on your account. There is an option of login, just continue. Firstly you need to confirm your account, means your email account. Here is an email from Amity Future Academy, just tap on it, go and confirm, and after that you are able to access all the courses. And now I am going to start the course which is of basics of Java. First is searching for that course. There are many courses which are free, and here big data architecture, fundamentals of R, content marketing, cyber security, HR management, basics of Java course is here. Just tap on it, basics of Java. Total 11 lectures are there. Already 5,500 plus students are joined in this month. And here now I am going to start. This is the enrollment option is here. This is the course with 11 lectures. If you tap on access, you doesn't get this course. You need to tap on enroll me. When you tap on enroll me, you are able to access the contents of this course. When I tap on enroll me, here there is an interface come and also an email that you join this course of basics of Java. Here is about Amity Future Academy, and after that we are going to access the contents: Java basics, object oriented programming, NetBeans, exception handling, collection, and also there is a quiz with 11 questions. And after that there is a feedback form, and after completing all the norms you get your certificate. You need to go at the below and just tap on Java on the next. Here is the next option is there: Java Hands-on 4, Java Hands-on 10. As like I am doing, you need to do for getting your certificate in only 5 minutes. And now there is an option of quiz after 11 lectures. Just tap on quiz, and here is a quiz. There is an option of attempt quiz. Just tap on attempt quiz now, and after tapping on this, your quiz is going to start. There are total 2 attempts are there, and now I am answering. All the answers which I am showing in this video are correct, so need to be in doubt. And here is the third question, which is not primitive data type. It is string. E is correct. Which collection of API is used to store unique elements? Set. Which of the following is not a wrapper class? This is the question. It is answer. Third is correct. 1, 2, 3. If you want to method accessed outside of the class, there is a default. If class name is student, then which of the following is not a constructor? It is a public void student in which the following package exception class exists. Class C, which exception is thrown when divide by 0 statement executes. It is arithmetic exception. When you are doing arithmetic problems, then always there is an arithmetic exception if there is an error. And here is the question of output. It's all A and B both are true, but output is else. Okay, after doing all the questions, all answers are saved. Now just tap on submit and finish all. Submit all and finish, and our all answers are correct. Total 11 out of 11 are correct. You just see here we get 100% marks. You can see also the answers which are in the below. All the answers are correct. And after completing this, total 10, 11 questions. Now you need to just tap on finish review, and here you can see your result one more time. 10 out of 10 grade is there. Just tap on back to course. Now there is one more thing you need to do, that is of filling of feedback form. Here in the beneath there is a feedback form, but you can see there is no tick on the courses which indicates that it is not completed. Just tap on it. Just tap on all the boxes. Here I am doing just tapping on the boxes and all are completed. Now go for feedback form. Just tap on feedback form. It is essential to get your certificate to complete feedback form. Here is the feedback form. You not need to give more attention on it. Just give a random answers as I am doing. Here I am answering random options. Just choose any option. There is not need to fill up the boxes, and after that just tap on submit your answers. And by doing this, our feedback form is submitted. Now learn from top ranked programs. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, here there are an option to download certificate. You can see there is an option of download certificate. Tap on download certificate. Here you get an option of view certificate. Just tap on it and download. You get your professional certificate from Amity Future Academy of Basics of Java. This is a very handsome certificate. I hope you will enjoy this video and get your certificate. If you get benefited by this video, just share it. Thanks for watching.